Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome back. This is Jairus Coleman, the Senior Vice President of ITEL. I am so excited to have you back and to go through another aspect of the Contact Manager's overview in the back office here. Once again, these are quick tutorials to help you navigate the different aspects of your back office to get the maximized success, to contact your prospects, to follow up with your leads, to generate ultimately an end result of a customer or a business partner, to duplicate the same process. That's what network marketing is all about. So let's talk a little bit about the contact managers. In the last few videos we went through different aspects of the contact manager. If you haven't had a chance to, go back through some of our current or our featured videos in our back office through our trainings tab right here, and you'll be able to see all of our trainings. Now, in this segment video, we're going to go through email contacts, and we're going to show you just if you're going to email an individual, or you're going to do a campaign email from your own direct email from your back office. Now, as you see here, if you're creating an email, if you're going to choose your person who you're going to email it to, the description. But here's where you're going to get your subject line, meaning if you're going to say, when they receive the email, my suggestion is make sure it's something, if you know the person, you can say anything you want. They're going to typically open up, they're going to open up the email, but you want to make it something that is specific. You want to be, if you're trying to email them about the business in the overview, or something that you really want them to see, you want to cater a message to them, make sure that subject line, because that's the first thing they're going to see. But now I'm going to show you really quick, kind of unique thing. If you're kind of savvy, if you're not with the internet or with email campaigns, it's okay. It doesn't matter. Here's what I'm talking about. Right here in this little blue wording, you barely can see it, but you can see it when I highlight it. It says it's HTML source, editing source. Click that. Now, if you know anything about HTML code, you know it looks like Greek. What I mean by that is, this is what HTML code looks like. HTML code is a Greek looking, it looks totally Greek to most people, but when you put it in the HTML editor, this is actually what it looks like. You actually come out looking like, it comes out looking like an actual graphic, and this is kind of what the aspects of what it is. So once again, this is the code actually represents a multiple different things inside of messages inside there, but you got to use the HTML editor. Now, if you're just going to send out a regular message, you don't need to use the HTML code. If you know how HTML code works, there's different engines that you can create HTML code from, and really it's quite simple. If you wanted to paste a picture, it's very easy. As I pasted a picture here, I had to host it, meaning it had to be on another website to be able to show up here. That's what that means by hosting. Once again, there's some advancements in this particular overview, but the basics of it is, if you're going to use HTML editor to make send out an email to them. From here, you can go to preview that email. I got to put a title in there. I'm just going to finish this off for the video's sake, and if I'm going to go from making sure it looks great, this is exactly what it's going to look like. Check the links, make sure the links play great, and everything's connected. As you see here, everything works great. From that, it pops up. That's great. I'm going to go back, but this is what it's going to look like for me to get ready to send my email out. With that being said, folks, this is Jairus Coleman with another overview training in your back office. Look forward to seeing you on the next training. You have a great day.